your birthday and you're not here, so we've got a song. We had help from the family too. So sit back and enjoy it, it should make you laugh, even though the men think we're cuckoo.
Cuckoo, cuckoo.
We wanted to surprise you with a very special message to say happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you, Nahnee.
We love you, you're great, have a great day.
Happy birthday to you, Nahnee. I'm glad we share a love of kettle chips. Happy birthday to you, Nahnee. I'm glad you got to come and see Mommy. Happy birthday to you, Nahnee. Thank you for making me homemade waffles. Happy birthday to you, Nahnee. Thank you for helping me not be afraid. Happy birthday to you, Nahnee. Thank you for bringing me into this world.